It's like I can't do no wrong.
Let me catch a vibe. Let's just take our time. Just relax your mind and take it easy.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm gonna be giving y'all a tutorial on how I did this holiday makeup look. It's gonna be a real quick video because this makeup look was really simple, but I thought it was really cute, and I actually got this from Miss Benty Vegas again, actually, because I have a whole list of like saved makeup looks on my Instagram, and I came across this one and it was really easy, and I actually just did it today, and I'm trying to get this video out today for y'all. So I feel like this was the easiest look to film right now, but like I said, super cute. Yeah, let me know how y'all like this look. I'm gonna leave the products I use in the description below. I'm gonna also, you know, do the whole little voiceover, and we just about to get right into this video. Alright, taking it back to the James Charles palette, y'all, times Morphe, and we going in with the red shade in there. I lost the color sheet, so I don't know the name of the color, but you know, once you purchase it, you'll know the names. So yeah, I'm gonna pack that in my crease and blend it out, and then I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics. Y'all, we taking it back. Okay, we're taking it back. I haven't gone in this palette in a minute, and I'm using this little like burnt orangish kind of shade, and I'm putting that on top of the red, and then I'm gonna blend that out upward. We're going to be using a Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, and we're going in with this red shimmer shade. Well, it's kind of like a reddish pinkish shade, but it's in the bottom left corner, and I'm going to put that on top of my whole eyelid and just like blend that with all the shades, to be honest. I don't know, it's just like different tones of red. It still came out really cute, so yeah. Now we're going to be getting into the foundation, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Spray and Set Spray. And after that, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte 111. And this is the foundation I've been using lately, and it's the same foundation routine, to be honest, that's in my last few makeup videos. But I'm going to tell y'all again, I guess. So, yeah. And my beauty blender is going through it. It's real ghetto. Okay, ghetto. I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer again, and this is in the shade Golden. But I also went in with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Medium Beige after this, just because I felt like it wasn't light enough. But yeah, just watch me blend it out. And I actually used my brush this time because my beauty blender, as y'all can see, was just ghetto and falling apart. I need to just go get a new one, so yeah. I'm going to be contouring with my ColourPop contour stick, and this is in the shade Renaissance. It's barely there, but I'm still holding on to it, y'all. It was definitely hard for me to blend this out because my beauty blender is literally like in half, y'all. But I didn't have no other brush for real to blend this out. So I don't know. Just bear with me. Next, we're going to be baking as we always do with the air spun loose face powder. And I put that under my eyes, on my chin, my forehead, my nose, and my cheeks. And then I'm going to be wiping that all away. And also making sure I wipe the powder down to my neck. Just so, I don't know, I just feel like maybe it makes the makeup stay on there and not get on my clothes as much. Now we're going to use our powder contour, and this is in the True Complexions contour palette, and it's the light to medium shade, and we're going in with the darkest shade and a brush, and we're going to hit the cheeks, and then I'm also remember to do my nose this time. For blush, we're using the Kylie Jenner blush in the shade Crush. And this blush was actually kind of too light. I probably should have used my other blush, but it's okay because it still came out really cute. And I'm using a big brush to just put it on my cheeks, and I smile as I'm doing it. I feel like I haven't used this highlight in a minute, but I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, which is Sun Dipped, and then I'm going to use the shade... Sorry, y'all, I just ate some crackers. But I'm going to use the shade Bronze, and I'm going to highlight my cheeks, my nose, my Cupid's bow, my eyebrow, and actually I think that's it. Now I'm going back into the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to find a green shade. At first I used the shimmer shade, but that honestly wasn't showing up enough. So I think I went in there and used a different green shade, but I'm not sure which one it is. But just use whatever green shade y'all think is best. And I think I put the shimmer shade on top, but it barely showed up still. So it was just a waste. Just use whatever green shade y'all think is best. Highlight my inner corner, I'm using a glitter shade from the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette, and it's the lightest one in there. And I'm going to just put that on my inner corner, and it really makes the eyeshadows pop, because had I not done this, it would have looked real plain. For lips, I'm going to be starting with a brown lip liner, and it's so low now that I don't even know like which brown lip liner this is, but use a good one, y'all, because sometimes the brown lip liners will not show up, but use a dark one. And I'm going to just line my lips with this, and then I'm going in with this Victoria's Secret crayon. I'm not sure which shade it is, but I will leave it in the description below. And I'm going to just, yeah, blend my... Blah. I cannot talk today, y'all. Whatever. I'm going to just blend my lips out. That's what I'm trying to say. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope y'all really enjoyed this look, and make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. We back on track with the videos. I know I missed the upload, but we're back on track. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, share the channel, interact in my comments because I be trying to interact with y'all and get to know y'all while y'all getting to know me or whatnot. And that's all I have to say for real. My bad, I keep looking to the side at my dang on turtles. But anyways, that's besides the point. I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching and bye.
1, 2, 3. Make you feel lucky, lucky.